Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram and my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, a quick disclaimer, fam. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Alright, guys, we just had some major red folders release. I'm going to quickly share my screen with you guys. I hope you all can see it. I had this nice little trade set up for gold, but it's all good. We have hit the highs. Let's see if they want to give us a continuation or if they want to start to push down, and maybe we catch some reversals from here, okay? And for these, we could be looking at nice little short positions, possibly here, and going to the downside. Alright, and of course, if they want to close up there, we could be looking to get into something like that to the upside. Okay, we also have some more news that's going to come out in the next 15 minutes, you guys, so don't worry. Okay, if not this, we'll catch the next one. And on Nasty, we can look at that and potentially that. Okay, let's see how these want to play out. Gold is still pushing. Listen, we break that, and this is the position that I was actually looking for on gold. Okay, since that didn't happen, let's see if we want to get maybe a continuation past that. So let's have this up here. Oops, my bad. Let's have this up here, okay? And let's see if they close in our box, or if they close in this zone. Maybe that's a nice little area to get in for a re-entry and a retest and a rejection, okay? I'm guessing people aren't exactly following the stream schedule, which is why we have fewer people on here today. People are expecting us for market open, but guys, we upload the stream schedule for a reason, okay? So you'll need to check it out so that you'll know when we're live and when we're not live, because some days we're live for market open, other days when we do have red folders like today, we're live an hour before market open, okay? So maybe we should put on some posts for people to actually start to realize that. Okay, indecision so far on the indices. Let's look at gold, okay? Maybe gold's gonna push up even higher. Let's see the last 35 seconds, how they want to play, and we'll take a call from there. Okay, now, based off of this, we're definitely coming into some supply right there. Let's mark that up as a nice supply zone. Let's mark our new high up there. Okay, let's see if we want to get a little bit of a retest and a push in, okay? 2 seconds. Look at that. They're trying. Okay. They push right back down. Let's see if we're gonna hold. We could come down to maybe half this candle. That's a very, very possible situation. Okay. Very, very, very choppy. Guys, I'm running by about 2 pips on this trade, and I'm counting now, okay? And that's it. I'm pushing up. I entered right there on that body break, and I'm up by about 10, well, 8, 9 pips, almost $2,000, 2,100, 2,300, boom, that's it. I'm going to change this to break even real quick, you guys. 10 pips, all right? I'm about to get my 10 pips. 2028.45. Okay, I'm in a break even trade. All right, risk-free position, and I'm running by about 2,300. Come on, give it to me. It's ranging, and it's ranging quick, okay? I'm at about 3-4 pips now. Okay, and I got stopped out. Alright, it is what it is. I just got stopped out of that. But it's fine. I tested it out. I tried to put myself in a risk-free position, and it worked out just fine for me, okay? So if the move doesn't want to come now, it's all good. So choppy again. Yeah. London was choppy, but by the end of London session, we had only 10 people that stuck around, and the 10 that stuck around got a really, really sexy move. Okay, so patience is key. And the last 5 minutes of London, we made it. We made it big. Is there news today? Yeah, we just had one news release, and we're gonna have one more that's gonna come out in the next couple of minutes. Okay, ooh, look at that, look at that. The dirty. Alright, dirty is trying, dirty is trying. Little bit of an impulse. Nasty, my bad. I just said dirty, I'm sorry, I meant nasty. A little bit of an impulse coming in right there. Let's see, it's only an impulse, okay? Remember that. Lots of bullish momentum, however. Let's see. I'm testing out the buys, okay? I'm in on a little tester. Let's see how the next 2 minutes close in these markets, and then maybe we'll look to get into anything bigger. Okay, I want the impulse to close in our box if the move wants to happen. All right, so we just broke past the 200. As you can see, that potential golden cross coming in as well. Let's take a quick look at the EMA, the RSI. Okay, still has potential to push past the 70. Let's see, you guys. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? Anyone at all? Nasty feelers, okay. Feeler and nasty, feeler, golden nasty. Alcum, don't trade two at a time, okay? Try to focus on one. Trading more than one can be really, really disastrous, buddy. Not just watching till I get home, okay? J red, nasty, okay, good. I am in on nasty, and I'm just waiting for this candle to close, see if we get a nice little retest rejection, and I'll get in on a nicer position if the markets give us an indication, okay? Let's see, the last 30 seconds are going to decide how this candle is really going to close. Alright, so this is still technically a retest. We haven't had a close in our boxes yet. But let's see. They could retest, like I said, about this area, half this candle. And if they start to go below here, then yes, the buys could most likely be out of the picture. But we have room till somewhere around here, okay? Alright, let's see if they want to close it in our box, okay? And if they close it in our box, well, we may go up to get a nice little wick fill and maybe a slightly higher push over here, okay? So 5 seconds, they're trying to close it in our box. Let's look for that freaking retest, you guys. Boom, there you go. Okay, sellers are kicking in. Let's take a look at gold. Alright, gold's giving us no more continuations. I'm glad I had a break-even stop over there. But listen, if you happen to break that high, you're getting a new high, no problem. Okay, so this could be a nice trigger figure entry for my one-on-ones, you guys, okay? If we happen to break, and the reason I say for my one-on-ones is because we practice these things on the one-on-one sessions. They know how to trade these trigger finger, okay? So for the people that are new on here, wait for price to close in our box. But for the other ones, knock yourself out, okay? Y'all, as long as y'all have the right risk management, y'all will be okay. Okay, nice retest coming in on nasty. We're holding there. Let's see, they could come back down, you guys. Okay, I'm just in with my feelers, just testing this out a little bit. Let's see if we get a nice solid rejection. And maybe then I'll layer this position to the upside, okay? But I want to see good rejection actually kick in. Okay. We have that area or this area that we could be testing out. Okay, they're coming back down, you guys. Look at that. All right, they didn't give us the retest rejection. If I'm not wrong, they are sitting at the EMA right now. That's what I thought. Okay, whenever you see price, the 9 and the 200 get close, gear up for um, gear up for a potential death or a golden cross. You're gonna find price be very, very choppy in that region. Okay, so I'm just letting y'all know we're in that region right now. We need to see if we're gonna hold true to these EMAs or if we're just gonna start and be choppy like we were for London this morning. Okay, let's see how we want to retest this area and then maybe start to come back up on on the dirty. We could maybe even get this filled down. If we don't respect this trend line, we're probably going to get the sells in before we get the buys. Okay, so as of right now, I'm so on the dirty. Okay, I'm gonna have my stop loss for my feelers that I caught up there right by this wick. Okay, that's about 35 pips for me, which is $35 on my account. It really doesn't matter too much. Okay, so um, I hope you guys are sort of holding on to that. Okay, and my feelers for this same story, I'm gonna have it down here. Okay, I'm in on 2 feeler positions as of right now. I'm not going to be trading my Lambo on both. The only reason I'm in on 2 feelers is because I'm going to see which one's moving better, and then I'll decide where I need to put in my bigger lot. I like gold as well. Okay, coming into a nice little level on gold over here now. We're building support. So maybe if the rejections want to start to kick in the next minute, because we do have news again, we could be looking to possibly come down maybe over here. Okay, so now we can have our sells on gold down there. And the buys on gold are going to be past that again. You're probably going to have to be trigger finger for this, you guys. Just letting you all know, okay? Look at that. The dirty's coming back down. Okay. Let's see, you guys. Okay, so we had negative news. Negative news, alright? Watch out for Goldie. We may be getting the push again. Okay, so we've got mixed news for the USD and CAD. I'm just checking it out right now. It is mixed, which means that we're not going to have a specific direction for these markets to move in, you guys. Teddy is a bull running pattern, right? I started learning patterns today, huh? There are 1,000 patterns out there, man. Don't complicate it for yourself, okay? Just take it easy. The simplest ones are the hardest to crack, and that's all you need, okay? Look at that. There you go. The cells are starting to now kick in on the dirty. Boom. Come on. Alright, I got stopped out of my dirty trade. The feeler. Maybe now we start to look for some cells. If we break that wick, I'm gonna look to get in, you guys. Okay. Come on. Drop it down, drop it down, drop it down. Boom. Alright, so I did get in on this trade, and I'm about a pip in profit, a pip break even. I'm gonna watch it. I'm watching it really, really closely till it touches maybe the 5 pip region. Alright, and I'm gonna try and put myself in a break even spot. Okay? So I'm negative 1 pip right now. The markets are moving pretty slow, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, now I'm up by 3 pips. There you go. Come on, give me 5, and let's get into a risk-free position. There you go. 5 pips, okay? I just touched 5 pips. I'm putting this on a break-even position. 3, 3, 3, 1. Okay, so I follow rules when I trade, you guys. When I see 5 pips, be it a flash, or if I actually see 5 pips and counting, I put my trade in a break-even stop loss, okay? And so far, I'm running by about 7 pips, 1400, 8 pips, 1600. There you go, 10 pips. I just got 10 pips on my US 30 trade. Boom! We are falling. We're freaking falling to the downside. We've hit TP. Who's with me on Nasty on the dirty? W on dirty. Cheers, rapid. Okay, so I'm still in a break-even trade. I hit my 10 pip mark. I'm feeling a little greedy right now. I'm not. There you go. That's it. 2600, 2800. Give me my fucking pips, man. Give me my fucking pips. Took it at TP. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. Gold's going up. Okay, guys that are trading gold, watch for that. Um, I'm just watching this really closely. You know what? I'm gonna put a 10 pip stop loss in profit, okay, which means I've gotten in with 200 bucks. I'm up by about 3,000 now, and if it gives me 2,000 in profit, I'm gonna get out. Okay, so 32381 32391. There you go, 3,200 and counting though, you guys. 3,400. This is almost a 20 pip move. Look at Nasty. Nasty's falling in as well. Beautiful. Everything's playing out textbook today. Okay, I love this. Boom, 3,800, 4,000. I just hit 20 pips. 4,000 on the dirty. And guess what? I'm fucking pulling this out, okay? It is what it is. That's a beautiful move. And 4,000 sounds very, very juicy to me. I am also on a smaller account today, you guys. And my money management is smaller, but I'm still able to grasp this, okay? Lovely. Pocket. Are the Saturday sessions still available? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Are you on the session, buddy? 4,000. I'm still banking 4,000. 4,800. Guys, I just 5 grand. I just spotted 5 grand. This is a beautiful move. I just pulled out 5,000 from this trade, and I am done with the Dow. Who fucking caught that with me? Who did that? Gold's also flying. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful moves. This is intense, you guys. Who caught that with me? I want to see W's in the chat right now. Beautiful moves, okay? Gold as well, all right? Break, retest, rejection from our demand, and continuation. Let's see if we break this high. We're going to push even higher. This is intense, you guys. Very, very, very cool. I want to see more W's. I got 10 pips again today on Nasty. Lovely. Lovely. Okay, retest coming in. Kyle W. Good, good, good. All right, I hope you guys made some on that. Let me tell you how much I caught. I'm just gonna put my trade for you guys, okay? Okay, 4,800. 4,800, you guys. That's what I caught on this. I'm not complaining, okay? I thought I hit 5K, but it is what it is, and still a successful trade. F not home yet, but happy for y'all who got it. It's all good, man. Okay, Nasty didn't break the low, but they could be coming in to break that low, so y'all shouldn't be in your Lambos yet. Milzone, will you be able to catch anything? The queen of Nasdaq is not on the session today. She's not trading. She's busy on shoot, but did you guys manage to catch anything? I got another dirty, nice dub. Cheers, my man. I'm so happy for you, man. Me and Cash were just talking about you today. Can't wait to open up a nice little um, bottle of some scotch the minute we hear the good news from you, buddy. Hit my goal for the day. I'm done for the day. Gonna sit and watch now. Good decision, Kyle. Catching 10 pips on a Lambo and walking away is just pure bliss. Right, JJ? I told you about this. That's the thing, man. We need to have the right risk and money management, you guys. As long as we have that, it's it's all good. Trust me. As long as we have that, it's all good. Okay? Because once you crack just being able to get in and out for 10 pips, that's all you need in these markets, man. If you risk $1, you'd make 10. If you risk 10, you'd make 100. And if you risk 100, you'd make 1,000. But first, you need to crack the entry exit strategy. That's the hard part. It's not changing your lot sizes. That's actually the easy part. Okay, but once y'all have practice of just sort of getting in and getting out, that's all you really need, and then we can always work on changing your lot sizes for your profits to be exponentially higher. I'd rather train my emotional behavior in trading instead of making money. I'd be happy. You're on the right track, JJ. Also, I don't know if Space V1 is on the chat, but I don't know if he's trading with us today. But Milzone and everyone else, we have another person that's now live and funded. It's just absolutely amazing. He announced it to us on the London session, and it really it makes us so fucking happy to see you guys succeed with forex trading. We've spent the past 6 months trying to get these streams up and running. We've spent the past 6 months to try and devise, um, to try and create a company here. Okay, we've put in blood, sweat, tears. I kid you not. We are in completely different parts of the world. When I say we, I'm talking about us founders of forex trading. You know, Cash and I, of course, together. We're married, but we have Milzone, Yano living literally all across, completely across the globe, and we still make time to create this for you guys, okay? And it's taken us as long as it's taken us, but we're here now. And trust me when I say this, you guys. In the next couple of months, you're going to be hearing forex trading everywhere. I couldn't be more straight up about this, okay? Space, yes sir. He isn't on, but I'm buzzing for Space. He's put the work in. Oh, he really has. Guys, just for the record, Space has done 10 sessions with me. He's done 10 one-on-one. Well, he's booked in for 10, and we've done, I think, 7 or 8 by now. He realizes that physical practice and constant learning is what makes you better in this. And that's the issue. That's the issue with a lot of the new traders, man. They come on for a couple of sessions and they think they know it all. The truth is, I've been trading these markets for 7 years, and I know 20% of what there is to know. You know, I'm a student of this game. Anything that I do in life, I give it everything. And I am a student of this. I'm always learning. I'm always getting better. I'm learning doing the streams for y'all. Repeating the basics for y'all 1,000 times has made me a master at the fundamentals. And the truth is, the fundamentals are all you need, you guys. So I really want to take a second to thank y'all for letting us do this for y'all. You know, thank y'all for letting us grow the way we're growing, and just we're gonna take you guys a long way, man. I'm just so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm so overwhelmed that who would have thought, right, Millzone? 6 months back when we spoke for the first time, who would have fucking thought that we'd be here and we'd have people making this much money with us? It's insane, man. Honestly, like I fucking love you guys, straight up, okay? We're gonna always push for y'all. We're always gonna give y'all the best, and I promise we're not going anywhere. Forex trading has officially arrived. Yes, it has. Glad as a novice I got in on learning before you. Stop one-on-one are awesome. Thank you so much, GGFX. You're a sweetheart. Thank you so much. Time management is another factor I've learned, especially with small kids and a web 2 to keep cash flow. Amen. Always Milzone, my man. Okay. Um, enough with the lovey-dovey talk. Should have shot at gold. Yeah, I agree. But it's all good. It's all good. All right. Let's wait for gold to come back down here. Let's not go too crazy with gold. Okay. Let's wait for gold to come back down here. Let's take a look at the dirty. Let's see what the dirty is doing. Okay. Hmm. Let's fix some stuff up for the dirty. Okay. All right. So we have this move for the shots. Let's have that there. Let's look at that coming into the dirty, okay? We could go up to our trend line. Let's look at if that wants to play out, all right? Let's look to close, retest, reject, and push back up. So if I have to draw that out for you guys, what I'm talking about is that, and boom, up to the trend line, okay? No way it goes to the ATH. It's possible, man. Gold's been soaring. It's been pretty crazy as the dollar is dropping. The indices are rising and gold soaring high up as well. So it's pretty intense right now. It's a great time to buy gold. Well, it's not a great time to buy gold. It's a great time to sell gold. But I would say hold on to it. And yeah, gold's gold, man. A lot of people trading it, both online and offline, which is what makes it all the more um, used, and that's what increases the volatility. Okay, let's see for that to break up. Okay, 3 seconds to go. We still haven't gotten the close into our box. So maybe not as yet. Would I still be good to book in a second block with you? Absolutely, JJ. For my guys that are already here, 100%, man. We will be stopping new intakes for sure. But listen, if you guys need more, we're determined to make you guys not just learn about these markets, but to make you all start pulling out profits from these markets. Okay, so for some people it takes 3 sessions, for some it takes 5, some need 10. All right, but as long as you have the mentality that you're willing to learn more and more, because there's always going to be more to learn, um, we're gonna have you taken care of, man. So don't worry about it. Okay, you're already on the sessions. If you need more, you're gonna get some more. Anytime, JJ. Okay, look at that. The dirty is trying to go up. Getting in on maybe a little feeler, you guys. All right, small position. Test this out. Um, let's see. Okay, we're also coming into the EMA up top. right there. We need to break past that EMA. We could get a nice little move to our trend line up there, okay? Quick 20 pips in and out. Let's take a look. Let's also look at the RSI. Oh, there you go. Okay, nothing so far. If this box doesn't close up here, we're not going to look for the buys now, okay? So if you're in on a feeler with me, you could have your stop loss down at the 4R support. That's going to be about, how much is that? 26 pips. Alright, guys, listen. We have losses too. It's not like we don't have losses, but the way we build the strategy and the way we trade these markets, we try to make sure that our losses are either Corollas or their feelers, okay? Because anyone who tells you, look at that, it's fucking soaring high right now. Anyone that tells you that they don't have losses, they're lying to you, straight up, alright? Nobody has a magic ball in front of them. Everyone only trades these markets based off of their own experience, okay? So just don't fall into that trap. Learn the right risk and money management. That's what'll make you money, okay? Let's get rid of this. Let's make that tinier. We have our position. Let's now maybe start to look for something like that on Goldie, okay? There you go. Boom. Right when we threw it in. Alright, let's have a little safer entry there. Okay, how about that? Gives you guys a little more time to breathe, but gold is trying to push, y'all. Gold's trying to push. Cram, I sent you a DM for after the session. Alright, buddy. GGFX, what is EMA? It's the exponential moving average. It's these lines. These are basically the moving averages, which just pretty much act as live support and resistance bands. So the 9 EMA is the moving average of the past 9 candles. The 200 EMA is the moving average of the past 200 candles. And it just basically shows us the short term and the long term trend of the market, okay? So when we're trading above the EMA, we're in an uptrend, as you can see. And when we're trading below the EMA, which we haven't done in quite some time, we're in a downtrend. Okay, don't worry, we'll go over this on the one-on-one, so I'll break this down for you further, alright? Okay, so gold's flirting with our entry point anytime, anytime. Gold's flirting with our sell entry point. Let's see if they want to give it. Let's take a quick look at ETH. I'm liking this, y'all. I'm liking it. I told y'all. Okay, we're pushing. I like it. Solid supply coming in at 2K. Psychological supply coming in at 2K. So we're gonna have to see how they want to play that. But I'm a happy ETH holder right now, for real. Great. Pushing back up. Nothing so far. Nothing here as well. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna have my stop loss all the way down here for the dirty, you guys. All the way down here, okay? Because I do understand that maybe we could try and make something like that before we actually start to push to the upside. Alright, that doesn't mean they have to do it, but we're gonna have to see. What plans do you guys have for Easter? The ones that celebrate, that is. What plans do you guys have? Visiting family, going to the Swedish countryside with the whole family. Sounds lovely. Sounds lovely. What about you, Milzone? What plans do you have? My mum's gonna force us to go to church, and I haven't been to church in a very long time. Very, very, very long time. But yeah, she's not here to force us right now, so it's all good. You and me both, crap. Yeah, man, I don't think I've been to church in like a couple of years now. Early dinner with the fam. Sounds good, man. Okay, coming right back down to test out this demand over here. Yo, Rapid, who we got for this weekend, bro? Who we putting our money on? Are we looking at Izzy? Are we looking at Pahera? What are we doing, man? Listen, by now you guys probably know it. I'm whoever I think is gonna win always loses. Okay, I don't trade these markets emotionally, but I definitely look at mixed martial arts emotionally. Okay, um, I don't know, man. This is a tough one. This really is a tough one. I thought Usman was gonna get it back. He didn't. We got Izzy with the submission. Yeah, totally, man. He's probably gonna have to get into that this time. But I really believe that the last performance, it was probably his most technical performance till the TKO. It was he's always looked super technical, but he was, I mean, I really like the way he was fighting the last time around. But it is what it is, man. Let's put it on Izzy with submission. Let's do it. Okay, and they're coming right back down. Gold's pushing up as well. Do we have any other people here that watch the UFC, or is it just me and Rapid and Zoe? Zoe watches the UFC as well. Zero, you watch UFC? Awesome. Joel, yeah, I know Joel does. Yeah. D- Joel, BKFC's got some fun events coming up, man. Looking forward to them. I think Perry and Rockhold's gonna be a banger. Is he up 2 rounds? Then bam, tell me about it, man. Crazy. In my like, I thought he was up by 3. I'm not even gonna lie, man. I thought Behera got 1. He would have probably gotten round 1 as well, but I don't know if you remember, but there was a little bit of a knockdown right at the bell for Izzy, round 1. So, and at least to me, he took that one. I can't believe he signed those guys in BKFC. Yo, BKFC must be paying them, man. It must be paying them a shit ton because they're getting all these retired vets coming in. It's pretty. Well, I wouldn't say retired vets, but um, they're not in their prime at least, you know. But they're getting them and they're paying them, and I think that's all that matters at the end of the day. Is he up 2 rounds and bam KO? KO last one 4 rounds. Yeah, I'm waiting for Adesanya versus Pahera. Yeah, man. Me too. Me too. I'm looking forward to that one. Okay, if gold pushes and breaks past, we're pushing higher. Okay, you guys. Let's mark up a nice little level of resistance right there. But again, this will be an impulse. Okay, let's look at that. Look at this. You have a nice little level coming in right here for Nasty as well. Okay, so we can start to look at Nasty positions above there on the break of our neckline here. And yep, looks good. Let's see. I'm still in on the dirty, by the way. I'm still in with my position. I'm liking the rejections. I'm not seeing any problems or issues with it. We do have the new Ali swap that's going to come in the next 5 minutes. If we get a move now, you guys, I'm just going to call it a session, okay? I'm not going to wait for market open. I'm straight up going to call it a session, okay? All right, let's see. Let's get it. We break that freaking EMA, and we're flying to the upside, okay? Who's excited to trade NFP on Friday? Did you hear Ngannou tried to get signed BKFC and the big dog said he's asking? Yep, I heard that, man. Well, apparently the UFC was paying him more than any heavyweight's ever been paid. I think minus Bones. but he didn't take it. He didn't take it. Can't wait. All right, guys, listen. I'm telling y'all from now. Okay, NFP. Let's be careful. Okay, let's risk 1/10 of our position, especially because NFP is going to be a little weird this time. All right, gold is shut on Friday. All right, just because of Easter, so we're not even going to be able to trade gold for NFP. All right, we're probably going to be trading the indices, and we're going to have to be careful. There are not too many people that are going to be trading NFP this time, which means your brokers are going to manipulate everything as much as they can. Alright, so let's be mindful. Let's not get caught into stupid things and lose our account. Let's have the right money management. The first candle, the first 5 minutes, just take a super tiny position, man. It really don't matter, okay? Take a small position, and then we'll catch the continuations if they want to happen. Okay, I just want to put this out there for you guys to know now. I'm gonna survive NFP this time around. I'm sure you will. I'm sure you will, Zero. 1/10 of our possession. Does that mean if I... Exactly. Correct, Alcum. That's exactly what I mean. I'm gonna ask him later about Ngannou. I talked to him here and there. I gotta pick up my BKFC shirt from him. Hey, I love that, man. When I'm down in Philly, you gotta hook me up, alright, buddy? You know Ngannou? Well, I think he's friends with the guy that owns BKFC. Yeah. I forget his name. I forget his name. I have his image in my head, but yeah. There you go. There you go. That's it. Feldman. Okay, 1 minute to the Ali swap. Let's see, okay? Join me in a UFC down. I know when it comes down again, crap. Sounds good, man. Yo, listen, if Izzy loses this, I don't think he's getting a fifth chance, bro. I don't think that's happening. His brother Damon does celebrity boxing. Interesting. Oh, by celebrity boxing, do you mean the Jake and Logan Paul thing? Yes, come to Philly. We'll get cheesesteaks. I love the sound of that, man. Logan Paul, Jake Paul, KSI. What a shit show. I mean, kudos to them. They're making M's, all right, and it's good for them. But what a shit show. Okay, look at that retest on the dirty. Guys, I'm gonna set up a little order on the dirty, okay, in case the buys want to happen. Boom, like they are right now. All right, give me a second. Okay, I have an order set up, alright, and I have an order set up for around about that area there, based off of that. If we start to break that, boom, I will get triggered. Even if we end up getting that move, I'll be up by at least 5 to 7 pips, and I'll put myself in a break-even position, okay? Yes, yes, celebrities box with some, okay, Roy Jones, Tyson has last event in Atlantic City. That's pretty crazy, man. Okay, still trying to push. Gold's continuation. In case anyone's getting in, that supply is going to give you another nice move to the upside, okay? Okay. I'm not triggered as yet. Very, very close. Not there as yet. Okay, let's take a look at Goldilocks. Okay. Re-entries for gold. Right there. Oof. Nasty. Nasty's trying. Beautiful double bottom breakout. We need to break the supply up here, however. That little box. And if we break that, the move's coming. Okay, I got triggered in. On this, and I'm pretty much at break even right now. Okay, testing it out. Let's see. Boom. Alright, I'm up. I'm up by about 2 pips. 2 pips right now, which for me currently is about $400. 3 pips. Let's go. Come on. Give me 10 or give me 5. One of the two. Okay, 1 pip, 2 pips. So guys, the way I do it, the second I see 5 pips, I put myself in a risk-free position. It's just that simple. I look at trading as a game, literally a game with rules, and if I follow the rules, I'm not going to be trading emotionally. Neither am I going to have things go against me like crazy, okay? And the biggest rule, never, ever, ever use your Lambos on orders, okay? I've already told this to you guys a couple of times. Some of y'all get it, some of y'all don't, but you'll want to trade orders, go ahead. No one's going to stop you. No one can stop you. If you want to trade orders, you'll trade orders. But make sure that you don't have your Lambos sitting in at orders, okay? That can be disastrous, and it can be a recipe to complete disaster. All right? So please, you'll want to be careful with that, and just take it easy. I'll just take it easy, okay? Alright, nothing so far. Not gonna lie, you guys, I feel like this could come back down to our 4-hour support. Okay, in all honesty, because I'm not seeing volume breakout just as yet. Let's throw on an alert for Goldie right there. The market is super slow. Yes it is, man. It is. I'm glad I managed to bank my 5,000 right in the beginning of the session, so I'm not even stressing now, you know. If I get a move, I get a move. If I don't, fuck it. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? It's all good, man. Okay, my stop loss for this Corolla is, oh, there you go, right when I say it. It's gonna be right about somewhere in this area, okay? 5 pips, nothing more. It is a Corolla, it's not a Fila, so I'm not willing to hold any more than that. Alright, so they finally closed up with some volume. Let's see if we have a little bit of a retest, rejection, and a push back up to the trend line, okay? Extremely slow. Look at freaking Nasdaq. Okay, my trades, excuse me guys. Oh, sorry about that, man. Boring markets make me sleepy, okay, but yeah, my trade's at about 3 pips again. 2-3 pips, I'm running by 200, 400. So 2 pips right now, a pip. The second I see $1,000, which on my current lot size would be 5 pips, I'm gonna change this to break even. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, okay? As technical traders, we always have to try and put ourselves in that risk-free spot again and again and again and again. The more we do that, the better it's gonna be for you. it's simple. Alright, so I'm up by about 4 pips, really close to putting my position on break even. I want a nice flash of 1,000, which I'm not getting as yet. Is anyone in on the dirty with me? Anyone in on the dirty? There you go, boom. We're trying. 800. There you go, 1,000. I just hit 5 pips, and I'm gonna quickly change this to break even, okay? 33383. There you go. 1200, 1400. Boom. Let's fucking get this, man. 1600. I'm up by 8 pips. 33383. 383. All right, I'm in a break-even position as well, you guys. No stress. It's all good. Now, if this reverses on me, it's fine. I'll get stopped out with 0 loss, but my target's achieved because I put myself in a risk-free spot. I'm not stressing now. I'm either going to make money or I'm going to lose nothing. All right, but I'm still running by about $1,000 right now. 5 pips. Okay. Very, very low volume in these markets. I got stopped out at break even, guys. It is what it is, okay? I got stopped out at break even, and it's fine because it's 1,000 that I didn't have to begin with. Okay, so we'll look for re-entries in case we start to get rejected from this zone again, going back up. But right now, it's just not ready. Okay. Okay, I'm liking this rejection. I'm gonna try and layer up my position a little bit, you guys, in case the buys still want to kick in. Alright, but again, like I said, I'm using really tiny positions. Okay? And we may come back down over here. Alkum, thanks, Graham. See you guys on Friday. Cheers, buddy. Take it easy. Okay, I think it's time a cigarette comes out. Fucking hell. Okay, retest on the dirty. That's still our entry point, so it still looks good. Okay. Sorry about that, you guys. Okay, retest still coming in on the dirty. We break that high, and I'm gonna be trigger finger going to the upside. Okay, you guys? Just letting y'all know. Okay. They closed it up above. New candles opened up. We have the new 15-minute momentum that will be pushing in. Okay, there you go. They're trying. Let's break that previous candle's high, okay, guys? Is gold doing anything, you guys? Anyone trading gold? I haven't taken a look at it. I set an alert on gold for the sell, so yeah, this is starting to look good to me, okay? In case they still want to continue to hold here, that's going to look good to me. Watch out for gold in case it wants to play out for y'all. Markets are going to be relatively slow tomorrow in anticipation for NFP. Also, Monday is going to be a holiday, even though the US market is going to be open, but there's going to be very low volatility because it's a holiday for a lot of places around the world for Easter. It is Easter Monday, so let's we're going to take the day off, okay? Alright, so the dirty is still in the trade. It's not like it's It's completely out. It's still very much there. My small position is still running. So I'm not really stressing about this too much. But we need to break that high. We need to break that previous high. It's very straightforward. If we don't break this high, we're coming right back down. Okay, let's try and break that. I'm gonna try and finish my cigarette before we break that high. Don't want to advertise smoking in these videos, okay? Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? You guys? Anyone in on anything, or are we just watching? Watching? No feelers as well? Nasty feelers still holding? Are you still in on the sells or the buys, Damien? For Nasty. Sell? Okay. Be careful with that though, buddy. If you're hitting maybe a break-even area, you want to take that out, because you don't want to get in on sells not till you break that 4-8 support to the downside. Okay, so if you're getting something out of this, then go ahead and take it out. Okay, my one-on-ones, are you all seeing any potential patterns begin to play out over here on this? There you go. That's it, my man. Good job, Zero. I was hopeful one of you guys would say it, but yes, it does look like the potential formation of a bearish pennant. We need to see how we're going to break structure, if it's going to be to the downside or if we're going to go bullish, okay? But we are looking to break structure, which could be up there. Oh, fucking hell. Alright, 1 second. Let me just look at my dirty. Okay, I'm done with my cigarette. Let's concentrate again on these markets. Okay. Alright, if this wants to happen, I'm going to be trigger finger on this one. Okay, you guys, 46 seconds to go. We also have the new 15-minute momentum that's going to kick into these markets. Let's see if that's going to be enough volume to push us and give us that injection back up to possibly maybe up there. Okay, I'm going to put in another small position over here. Alright, nothing very big. Just going to try and layer this up. We have a short-term trend line that's being created over here. As long as we're respecting this, we should be fine. Okay, just like that. There you go. Okay, 15-minute momentum, do something. What's a pennant? Sorry for the dumb questions. There are no dumb questions. Alright, give me a second, I'll break that down for you. We will go over it in the one-on-ones, but I'll just give you a quick run through on it, okay? It's a trend continuation pattern. Alright, so if I had to draw the pennant over here, it'll look like that. And like this, okay? We're coming into the apex right here, which is also the pennant of the bigger flag. Right, don't worry, we're gonna break these down on the sessions for you. And there are no questions that are dumb questions, okay? Okay. Come on, push. push. Let's do it. There you go. I'm in on this, okay, you guys? I'm at about break even right now, but I am in on this trade. Okay, gold. Gold's coming bearish. Watch out, Goldie. The guy's trading this. This looks like a really nice trade. I'm not going to be doing this right now because I am in on this, so I'm going to monitor this, okay? Alright, they're going to come back down, maybe test out the trend line, and then start a push back up. Alright, no volume so far. No volume right now. Gold. Is anyone taking gold? What are you guys trading? Are we looking at the dirty or are we looking at gold? What's happening? I personally am looking at the dirty. Still soaring up. I like that. We just need one freaking push of volume, alright? And I think it may happen on market open. But that being said, before market open, we could also start to push back down. Okay, you guys, so don't be in on anything too big. This is our neckline break, but we need to break that neckline and do it the right way, okay? Look at gold. Look at gold. Solid moves for gold. Fucking hell. Why am I trading the dirty? Why? Dirty's going down to retest the EMA. Let's hope we hold at the EMA, you guys. Let's really hold that we hope over here, okay? Right there. Is anyone in on gold? Anyone trading gold right now? Or is no one trading gold? Okay, you're in on gold. Good. You should be running by now. That's the move. It's pushing. Feeler? Okay. Wait for the retest and the rejection, alright? The indices are being very, very, very choppy right now. Look at nasty coming into the cells as well. Alright, so let's see if we're gonna hold at our trend line. We could come back down to retest our entry point and then maybe try to push back up. So we could possibly be looking at something like that, or even something like that. Okay, for the ones trading nasty, that's your retest. For the ones trading gold, that's your retest, rejection, break of previous structure. Boom. Fucking hell, why am I not in on this? Look at that. Oh, who's banking on gold? Who's in on gold, you guys? Come on, give it to me and let's call it a goddamn session. It's weird, why do we have, we barely have any people on here today. I wonder why. I wonder why. Is it because we started early, but this is the normal time that we're on as well, so. Okay, there you go. Come on, Dirty. Give it to us, Dirty. And if you guys are trading nasty, then y'all are in that as well. Okay. Lovely trade running in for Nasdaq. I'm sure Cash would have appreciated this one. Okay, there you go. Come on, give it to us. Nasty hit TP. Nasty hit TP, okay? Did anyone catch Nasdaq, you guys? Why is the chat so dead today? Is it because my energy levels are lower? Is that what's happening? Missed Nasty. Okay. Beautiful move on Nasdaq, though. Slow market syndrome seems like it. Caught a bit of Nasty. Good stuff, though, with my man. It's about a 5 pip move from the break of structure. If you're in profits, change this to break even, okay? Look at that. Okay, so we're gonna stay till market open. If we get the move for market open, it's good. If not, we're gonna call it a session, you guys. I'm pretty much done for the day anyway. I'm up by about 5 grand. I can't complain. My account's happy. And yeah, it's 5 grand I didn't have before this session, so I'm good. All we need is a little bit of a push, man. Just a little bit of a push. Nice 10 pips. And we can all get the cherry on the cake and head out of here. Alright, so we have about 6 more minutes to market open. Running 5 pips on Nasty. Beautiful. Staying in on Dirty. Yeah, me too. I'm looking for Dirty. I like Dirty, buddy. 5 pips on Nasty, JJ. You know what to do with that, okay? Because you've already 1 hit TP. And 2, try to put yourself in a risk-free position, okay? We spoke about this. Already set break even. Good stuff, man. That's a successful trade. Okay. Okay, this is the last 5-minute candle before market open. Give us the goddamn move, man. They're not doing it today, you guys. They're being extremely slow. Just imagine how slow tomorrow's gonna be. W on Nasty. Congrats, Damien. I love that. Oh, look at Nasdaq. Melzone, you catching this? Please tell me some of you guys caught that. Beautiful fucking move on Nasdaq. Solid continuations. Catching Dirty and Gold. Lovely. Lovely. Beautiful. Gold's doing a textbook move as well. I feel like I'm the only one that's stuck on the Dirty. That's what it seems like right now. Caught it. Beautiful. Another 10 pip move on Nasdaq. Cheers, JJ. You're done, brother. You're done. 20 pips. By that, you should be up by at least... Oh, there you go. Boom. Okay. Alright, so I'm running by about 4 pips on this trade now. Okay? 800 bucks. 4 pips on this trade. Come on. Come on. There you go. 1400 bucks on the Dirty. Finally. Finally. Let's push a little more. Give me my 10 pips. Give me my 2 grand and I'm gonna be out. Alright, I'm running 1200. I'm gonna change this to break even, okay? I don't want to risk anything. 33394. Okay, I'm on a risk-free trade once again. All right, you see how I keep doing this constantly? Constantly, again and again and again and again, because the biggest goal that you have in these markets is not to make money. Making money is secondary. All right, what's primary is to preserve your already existing capital, and I'm up by 22 fucking 100, you guys. Beautiful move. Finally, patience is key. Patience is everything in this game. The faster you'll realize that, the better. The same thing happened today for London as well. Okay, we had people that we had about 25, 30 people, and by the end of it, because it was a slow session, we had 10 people, and then right before, 2 minutes before we end the session, before we ended the session, we had a solid move on 2 instruments, and we all managed to bank on that. All right, so listen, if y'all don't have the patience, you're not going to be able to reap the benefits that these markets give you guys, okay? I'm running by 2600. All right, so this is a 13 pip move for me. I'm happy, you guys. I'm happy. All right, I can't be complaining. It's looking good to me. All right, I pulled out 2,000 on this position. $2,000, and I am a happy man. It's straightforward. Who caught that with me? Who caught another nice dub on the dirty with me? Whatever it was, okay, we had trades going across the board. Oh, look at that beauty of a fucking trade on gold. Come on, you guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gold move. Lovely. All right, I'm gonna watch the next minute and a half, and I may look to take a re-entry in case I start to see volume pushing to the upside, okay? But look at, fuck me, look at gold. Gold W, beautiful. Congratulations, my guys. Look at this. Look at this. We're coming back down, most likely all the way to our... Oh, good lord. We are breaking down on gold. Is anyone still in on this? If y'all held through and if y'all were patient enough, this was the move for you. This is what I mean by it, okay? Gold pays off. Gold's that seductress that knows how to keep pulling you back to it. Okay, I just re-entered in on this, alright? When it was down, I was looking at it on my phone. I'm in on this again, and I'm running on this again. Alright, I'm up by a couple of pips. I'm looking to get maybe another 10. Even though I'm done for the day, I'm up by about 7,200 for the day. It's all good, alright? As long as I put myself in that risk-free spot, which I'm going to try to do in the next couple of seconds, because we're about 40 seconds away from market open. Okay, again, I'm up by about 3 pips. I'm not taking the risk, you guys. I'm putting this on break even real quick, okay? Alright, I'm in on a break even position. If this pushes for market open, I'm going to make a nice big fat one. And if it reverses on market open, I'm going to get out with a break even trade, okay? I'm still running by about 4 pips, 3-4 pips. Boom! There you go. Look at that. Look at that push. All right, I'm up by about 3,000 on this trade right now. 3 grand. All right, 4,000. There you go. Boom! 5,000. I just hit 5,000, 5,800, 4,000. It's ranging between 5 and 6. Fuck it. You know what? I'm pulling this out. I just pulled out 3,200 again from this trade. 3,200 before that candle dropped down. I'm glad I did that, or I would have gotten stopped out at break even. But I caught this again. Who got in with me? Who made it? Look at Nasty. Nasty is just continuing to push to the downside. Gold is making its reversal. Nasty's fucking bleeding. What a move, you guys. You see what patience can do? Listen, when we started this call, we had about 40 people, 40 to 45 people on here, and well, no, I think we had fewer people on today, but we had at least 35 to 40 people. And as you can see, people have now dropped. But you know who are the lucky ones? It's you 28, all right? The 28 of you that stuck by, that had the patience, and that waited for these moves to happen. Y'all are banking, and y'all have made your pips and your profits for the day. So congratulations for that. And it's all good, you guys. It's all good. I'm happy to take my 20 bits for sure, as much as Nasty ran. Yeah, don't care, man. You shouldn't be caring. Oh, fucking hell. Why did I take it out? Look at that soar high. Okay. Not complaining. I got what I had to, just like JJ, my man, said said it over there. We take our pips and we get out, okay? I don't want to risk anything because I'd already made what I wanted to for the session, so um, I was good anyway. Let's fucking go. Corolla on that push, lovely zero, love it, man. Okay, you guys, do we have any questions at all? Or can we call it a session? This was lovely. All right, let's do a little bit of a pip count. All right, so we had Nasty that hit TP for 42. We had 71 on the dirty and 40. Oh my fucking god, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Is anyone still in on this? And how classic is this? Break, retest, rejection, and they're fucking pushing. And they're still just pushing. Come on, push some more. Is there a guide on how to set lot size not to risk more than 1%? It's just basic math, alright? As long as you understand how to calculate pips, you should be okay with that. It's really not too much. The only thing is your lot sizing is going to be different for every account, right? So it depends on what account you are. Your lot sizing and risk management on a 10K account would be very different from a 100K account, which would be very different from a $100 account. You get what I'm saying? So I can't exactly tell you textbook numbers, but then again, on the one-on-one sessions, we usually break. Okay, guys, we usually break all of these down. So I give you. I got in again, and I'm up and running by another $1,200, by the way. Okay, 1 second. All right, I'm about 300-400 right now. Break even. Okay, I'm watching it really closely. I'm at around break even-ish. Come on. Also, I'm in with the Corolla. I'm not in with another Lambo because I made my pips, okay? So I'm still just watching it. I'm going to hold my Corolla down there, okay? Up to that much. If it wants to go below this, I will end up losing about $50. Thanks, Graham. I got a bounce for work tomorrow, but appreciate. Cheers, my man. Take it easy. Have a good one. Yeah, so like I was saying, Bangchi, we break it down specific to your account because it's different for everyone. Okay, so there's no way to really say it, but you just need to basically figure out where your stop loss is, and you need to calculate how much you want to risk. So 0.5% of your account or 1% of your account, and then figure out what your stop loss is and take your contract size accordingly. Fuck it, this move's not happening. I'm just gonna get out of it. I'm done, you guys. I made a solid 11 grand today. I'm happy. I'm not complaining. I also hit about 4.5, 5K on Cash's session for London, so it was awesome. Another great session. Patience is king. Patience is everything. All right, you'll want to make money in these markets. Stick around. All right, wait for trades to come to you and don't try to chase trades. When you chase trades, you're literally just giving your account away. Okay, analyze these markets. Let us do what we're good at and just let the trades come to us. Okay, that's the only way that you guys are going to be successfully profitable in these markets. This was a lovely session, you guys. I hope you all learned a lot from today's session. I also hope you all made your money. And guys, we do this as a free service, okay? I really want to say a big thank you. I checked Twitter yesterday, and I don't usually check Twitter because I have someone who does that for me. We have a team that does that for me, and I saw about 8 to 10 of you that actually posted Twitter, that actually tweeted for us. So I really appreciate all of y'all. Thank you all so much. It means the world to us because again, we're doing all of this organically, okay, and we're just trying to get as many eyes as we can before we blow the fuck up. All right, so I really appreciate the guys that did, and for the ones that didn't, go ahead and put on a freaking Twitter post for us, okay? Make sure to tag Cram, Cash, and Project Whitelist. Let people know what we're doing over here because we're making an army. all right, an army of millionaires. And we're not shying away from that. We want the whole world to see it because Forex is something that changed our lives. I'm more than certain that it can change yours. And look at the dirty, flying high, soaring high, nasty, shotting, and gold is having a little bit of a retest. Okay? Awesome, guys. And for the one-on-one sessions, I do have some slots that have opened up. And let me know, all right? Cash is busy, so if you guys want to get joined in, look, we have slots that are opening up now, but we're not going to be doing this for too much longer, all right? Max a month and a half to 2 months. We're not going to be doing it for longer than that. We've got a lot of work that's coming up with Forex trading, and we need to be able to dedicate 100% to the brand and to the company, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Maybe as we move on, we get other people to teach you guys what we do. You know what I'm saying? But you're not going to be able to learn straight from me. It's something that's just going to be there now. All right. So if you guys want to get learning, hit me up. Okay. Ask anyone over here. These sessions are extremely undervalued. In fact, I always have people telling me that, bro, you should charge a little more for these sessions. But the truth is, we don't do it for the money. All right, we just like to value the time that we've spent in these markets and the skills that we've gained in these markets, which is why we've even made these paid sessions. All right, so go ahead, message us if you are serious about your trading journey, and if you want to cut right through the bullshit and just strip everything down to its basics and trade these markets for what they are, trade price action. And if you just want to be able to read these candles the way we do, it's in my ability to make that happen for you guys. All right, so thank you guys so much. This was an awesome session. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, night, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I will catch you guys tomorrow for London. All right, Twitter posts, one-on-ones, let me know. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna catch y'all soon. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. You guys, signing out.